B. Alright? Okay, so let's see and Kylie will demonstrate how to play the tug-of-war. May nakikita kayo hawak ni Ate dyan? Okay, it's a flag. So, yung flag na to ay nagsisimbol na go sign. Okay? So, pag pinas ni Ate, ang gagawin nyo is hands up muna. Hands up. Pakita na yung hands up. Ayan, pag nakita sa flag, ibig sabihin, hands up muna tayo. At pag sinabi ni Ate, in 3, 2, 1, go! We will pull the rope as fast and as far as
Ate, hali ka na!
Sige, pull. Pull out the next end.
Doon tayo sa may mga laruan.
Okay, pull. Okay. For this round, ang nanalo ay Team B.
Dito tayo.
Okay? Alright, sige. Okay na muna tayo na groupies. Okay, sino na ang team?
Let's go.
Okay, for the team A, bago tayo pumunta sa airdrop, parinig muna kami ng cheer ninyo. Okay, meron bang cheer ang team A?
Up, up.
Okay, ano yun? Yes, go team A daw. How about team B? Parinig naman ang cheer nyo. Go team B. Okay. And then follow up by team A and team B. Okay? Come on. Again, no, hold and pull the rope as hard as you can. Okay, follow lang kayo dito.